Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So today we're checking out this metal detector. So let's show you guys what's inside the box and let's test it out. Alright guys, this is the box. It comes nice and small, so I like that. That means it's compact. So looks like you get a metal detector bag. This might be a carrying pouch, we'll see. Use your manual in here. Oh yes, they give you the batteries. I can't stand when you get a metal detector and there's no batteries and you gotta then order your own batteries, but no, they give you the batteries that you need. So this is it. If you guys hate the sound, make sure you turn your volume down. I know a lot of people love when we do this. We're gonna pop it in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so let's see. We're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Alright guys, so they give you your earphones, your headphones, and it looks like you have a volume adjust on the actual headphone. So this is it. Oh, I love that. Small, compact, folds great. It's already put together. That is awesome. So let's go ahead and unfold it. Alright guys, this is how it looks unfolded. You press in here to unfold it, and you can adjust this. And then what you do is you make this tight if you want to keep it at a certain position. To extend your pull, what you do is you open this, and that allows you to extend your metal detector really far. So for an adult, child, okay, so if you go too far, you kind of can see through there. You just feed it right back through inside, and then you lock it. The batteries go underneath here. They do also give you the shovel. So this shovel is foldable and it comes in a nice bag. So what you do is you thread this on like that. You then tighten this if you want. So you can use it as kind of like a pickaxe, or you can lift it up like that and then tighten and make it a official shovel. Or if you just want to pick, you can then tighten it like that. So you got a couple options, my friends. So guys, with these, there's a lot of custom tuning that you want to do and you want to learn it. Make sure you read your manual and go through everything. But if we turn on the power, so you can then select different things. Obviously, you can change sensitivity and other stuff. So if you drop the sensitivity, this says the sensitivity, the depth, and whatnot. So it's probably picking up nails and stuff here. So we're not going to dig anything, we're just going to show you guys and see how it works. There is known items around here, known nails and different stuff. So we'll show you guys how it works. So as you guys can see here, you can up the sensitivity or drop it. So sensitivity basically means the higher you have it, the more it's going to be sensitive to stuff in the ground and deeper. So if you have it low, then that means you're not going to find stuff deeper. It's going to be closer to the surface. So iron, that says $1. And again, so guys, you'll have to play with it, but it looks like a lot of fun. So on a time when it's not, not so hot, today it's 90 degrees, we'll play with it. I'll do an updated video in probably about 6 months. But yeah, it works off the start. You're gonna have to really play with the sensitivity and all that stuff to get it fine-tuned, but that's normal with metal detectors.